Real talk, mamas. Booking a first-class ticket to Maui or a luxury weekend getaway in Aspen is pure bliss, until you remember you are an exclusive pumping mom. The thought of managing a strict pumping schedule, packing endless gear, and keeping your liquid gold frozen while crossing time zones is enough to make you want to cancel the whole trip. But being an exclusive pumping mama does not mean you have to skip vacation or compromise your luxury aesthetic. Today, we are spilling the tea on how to travel like a total VIP while keeping your milk supply completely on point. Get ready for the ultimate guide to traveling as an exclusive pumping mom, because you deserve to live your best life without a single drop of stress. Welcome back to Milky Way Travels, your absolute favorite destination for navigating motherhood with style, confidence, and a touch of luxury. We know that maintaining your pumping routine on the road can feel like a full-time job, but with the right high-end hacks, it is a total breeze. Grab your iced matcha, hit that subscribe button, and let's get into the game changers that will elevate your next trip. First up, let's talk about your gear setup, because staying organized is the ultimate power move. Ditch the bulky, clinical gear bags and upgrade to a sleek, designer travel tote that easily fits your cordless, wearable pumps. High-end wearables are non-negotiable for travel. You can literally pump discreetly while relaxing in the airport lounge or ordering room service. For storage, do not rely on regular ice that melts and ruins your expensive leather bags. Invest in a bougie travel chiller. They look incredibly chic, fit perfectly into your luxury stroller basket, and keep your milk safely chilled for over 20 hours without a single leak. Next, let's solve the absolute worst part of exclusive pumping on the go, which is washing and sanitizing your pump parts. Doing dishes in a standard hotel sink feels anything but luxurious. Here is the ultimate travel hack: pack a collapsible silicone basin, a travel-sized bottle of premium dish soap, and microwave sanitizing bags. When you check into your resort, ask the concierge to ensure a microwave is sent to your room, or utilize the club lounge facilities. If you are mid-flight, never use the airplane bathroom water to rinse your gear. Instead, ask the flight attendant for bottled water and a clean cup to rinse your parts. It keeps everything pristine, sterile, and stress-free. Finally, you need a flawless schedule strategy. Crossing time zones can completely throw off your body, but consistency is key to protecting your supply. Try to stick to your home time zone's pumping intervals for the actual duration of the flight, then gradually shift your schedule to local time once you arrive at your destination. If you have a long-haul flight, don't be afraid to use the onboard power outlets at your seat or pump right in the comfort of your first-class pod. Traveling as an exclusive pumping mama might take a little extra prep, but with these luxury hacks, you are completely unstoppable. If you loved these tips, give this video a thumbs up and share your favorite travel hack in the comments below. Thanks for watching Milky Way Travels, and safe travels, mamas.